Hiya. At that point we have too many cords. A lot of moving parts. Okay, let's go. Gonna start up some Stream Raiders. And I should probably get that water cup. Hiya. Give me a second. Okay. Over here. And now we're here. Happy Friday. Emily! How you doing, Emily? Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Back at it again. Huh. Today was a wee bit busy. Much chaos. Okay, we're probably not gonna use that ink though, but figure something out. Wah. Let me go into the mode. Nothing but bits of PET tape everywhere. Let's go. You doing great? That is good. I'm doing pretty good. I'm honestly doing good because I got to leave work, or at least I got to leave the office early. See, because the problem is that they don't turn on the AC until like a certain day, and that messes people up greatly. So pretty much the building is feeling like it's on fire because they're not turning on the AC. So it's great. You should wait. Okay, I'm starting up Stream Raiders. Please play some units. I think we lost the last one now that I kind of think about it. Ba ba ba. What's my quest? Fine, rogue, fine. Okay, let's go. Fruity. Fruity, why are you upsetty spaghetti today? We're trying to be Gucci. Unless you support Balenciaga. Life. I feel that though. Cry. I know. I actually decorated because I was at work. I mean, like, so even though I wasn't in the office, I had to work from home. So I was just cutting out these little pandas and these leaves in the background. So that's what I'm feeling today. Yeah. Rainbow, wait, what are you working on today? Everything. We're starting with the daily journal. Yes, sir. Starting with the daily. And then, I don't know, I feel like playing with some fountain pen ink. So we might do some interesting ink stuff. That's what I'm feeling. Oh my god, they're going crazy with the motor scoots out there. I don't know. New York ASMR people. I keep forgetting to put that in the title. But yeah, we're starting with the daily. We might, I don't know, we might figure out what to do with a few TN inserts, to be honest. Also, I forgot to show this last stream. I bought this from Daiso because it has bears on it and I have problems. Problem is weakness. Oh my god, they're so cute.